The camera is something that I have had with me since my childhood. I've seen it not only as a hobby, but also as a tool to capture the people around me. Hello, I'm Tushar Dawrani. I am a student here at MAHE Bengaluru in MIT, and I'm doing my BTech here. I live in South Bengaluru and I'm a day scholar. So I've always liked building things. I come from a business family wherein I got my early exposure on the markets and different strategies. A typical day at MIT looks like meeting new people, building my network, contributing to different events and different events and club activities that we have inside our college. I've always enjoyed meeting new people inside college and understanding their creative passion, their interest in the creative career. I've made short films with them. I've also worked on different kind of creative projects with them. That's how a typical day in my MIT looks like for me. One of the most recent milestone for me was a documentary that I made with a few of my college friends. It's called Asanjo Khado, and it's about a Siddhi culture food in Bangalore. Also, apart from that, I've also worked on a few short films. On the commercial side, I've worked on different industries such as manufacturing, fashion, jewelry, fitness, and a lot more of corporate events. With also a few of my friends, I also run a travel-based company for students and for corporates. It's called Gulab Jamun Experiences, wherein we take people out on student trips. We curate student trips from different colleges across Bangalore, and we also do corporate offsites and outings. And also apart from that, I've also worked in my family restaurant where I help run them a family food business. Inside college, I've helped in organizing the Falak 2024 of let's say Falak 2025. I've also helped shooting around in the Rubaru 2025 itself. I've always enjoyed shooting all those cultural events and all those sports events that we have inside a college. I've also helped my friends working on different club activities and even organizing hackathons and stuff. I've also completed an internship in content creation and marketing at the Blend community, wherein I understood where I ran campaigns and ran editorial for them. So one of my best experiences in college was when the first short film that I worked on, along with my DLHS friends, it got screened inside college, inside the auditorium, and it was the whole auditorium was full. Everyone was clapping and celebrating. That was the first time anything that I worked on got screened at such a big level, and that's something I come back to every time I think of how think of productions or movies per se. One of the most wholesome moments that was for me inside college was when I was shooting Mohe Chauhan. I've grown listening to him all my childhood, and the time when I was standing under the stage with the camera in my hand, I felt the 12-year-old Tushar inside me felt happy, stand under the stage and shoot him and see him under my eyes performing. That was something that, that still brings me to joy whenever I think of it. The message I want to give to my fellow students is to do not depend on college entirely just for a career. I think you should go out, explore yourself, and you should always be curious and, exploring more things outside college. The college will give you one of the best resources that are possible and the opportunities, but in order for you to use them wisely. And I would also say that you shouldn't hesitate whenever it comes to starting a new conversation. It can be from a senior, your peer, or any faculty.